Subscribe this channel for watching property and other informative videos. Are you confused of your flat size? Most of the people are confused about their flat size. They are confused about the terminology as super built up, covered area, built up area and carpet area. So I am going to explain you these terminologies: super built up area and carpet area. Most of the people get confused about the super built up area and how it is calculated. So I am going to explain you from the beginning one by one so that you can get a clear picture about these terminologies. Let me first explain to you what carpet area is. Carpet area is a self-explanatory word where you can easily understand the total area where you can lay a carpet. It is the total usable area of your flat. Suppose you have a room of 10 feet by 10 feet inside wall. Carpet area of your room is 10 into 10, that is 100 square feet. So that is the basic carpet area you have in your flat. In this regard, I would like to tell you that carpet area is not covered area, though it is sometimes used by the developer that covered area is carpet area, but it is not same. Carpet area and covered area both are different. So mind it that carpet area is not equals to covered area. Even balcony area and cupboard areas are also not included in carpet area. Carpet area calculation is very easy. You can easily measure it physically, or you can use the floor plan provided to you, in which you can see all the measurements are given. So you can just add up to get your carpet area. Next is built up area. A built up area is also called as covered area. And how it is calculated? A built up area is calculated as the summation of carpet area, balcony area, cupboard area and the internal and external wall of your flat. The addition of these are called built up area. So built up area, you can say for example 10 to 15% more than your carpet area. Suppose for an example, as our previous example, you have a room of 10 feet by 10 feet and the carpet area of that room is 100 square feet. Now suppose if every side has a wall of 3 inch, then you can easily calculate 3 inch in this side, 3 inch in another side, that comes around 6 inch. And both way 6 inch if you add, that is 10.5 feet into 10.5 feet. That comes around 110 square feet. And suppose if there is a cupboard area in that room and that is around 3 feet by 1 feet, that means 3 feet also will be added to your carpet area, and according to the wall of those sides of the cupboard area is also be included in the covered area. So it is very easy to calculate a built up area. If you just take the carpet area along with the balcony area, cupboard area and internal and external wall, you will get your built up area. For an easy calculation, if you just add 10 to 15% to your carpet area, you will get a built up area. To keep in mind, built up area is covered area and nothing should be added extra to your built up area. Next is the super built-up area, and here comes the question. Lot of queries from many people, most of the people comes from super built-up area calculation. So super built-up calculation is very much confusing and is not very easy to calculate. Before calculating super built-up, let's understand the common areas of a project. What are all included in common area calculation? Common area includes lobby, stair, gallery, club and any other area which can be accessed by everybody. Now for super built-up calculation, this common area calculation takes a primary part. The total measurement of common area is divided proportionately according to unit size and added to built-up area measurement of a flat. So this is a very complicated calculation and cannot be measured accurately by an individual. In this regard, a buyer has to trust the builder. But the point I want to add is, super built-up is not same for all projects. For a bigger complex with many amenities, the super built-up area calculation is much higher and the percentage would be around 30 to 35%, whereas in smaller project, in a semi-complex or a standalone building, the super built-up percentage calculation is much lesser. For an example, if there is a 20,000 square feet of club area in a project and if there are 500 units in the project, and assuming all the units are same in size, the 20,000 area of the club will be equally divided by 500 units. That will come around 40 square feet. That 40 square feet will be added to the built-up area for calculating super built-up. So to recap some key points in this topic, first is carpet area is not covered area. Covered area is equals to built-up area, and common areas when added with the built-up area comes the super built-up area. Just to make a note, I have seen some developers calculating all the common areas with the covered area calculation, and straight away they are increasing 25% with the covered area to make a super built-up area. Now the question arises, if all the common areas comes to the built-up area, then what is there in the 25% of the super built-up calculation they are making? So just be aware. I hope I made you clear of these terminologies while calculating area size of your flat. I'll come with a different topic next time. Subscribe this channel, like this video and share it with your friends and families. Thank you.